Hey there! Today we are diving into how to add reshade to FiveM. A process that seems complex because, well, FiveM and reshade aren't exactly best friends out of the box. But in this video I got a quick solution for you. If you're more of a DIY person, then there's a manual guide in the description. But for now, let's explore a simpler path with a tool I've made myself, the FiveM ReShade installer. This tool streamlines the whole process. Plus, it's open source, so feel free to check out the code to reassure yourself of its safety. Let's jump to the Releases tab and grab the latest version, like 1.0.3 for instance. Click on the setup link to get started. A heads up though, since it's not widely downloaded yet, Windows might try to step in to protect your PC. Just click More Info and then Run Anyway to proceed. With the installer now open, hitting install kicks things off immediately. If your FiveM isn't set to the beta channel, you'll see a prompt, just hit yes. This will set it to the beta channel automatically. The installer then brings up the reshade setup, allowing you to pick and choose the shaders you want, so I usually deselect all and then reselect all to grab everything. And after clicking next, it will start installing the shaders, which might take a bit depending on your choices. We'll skip ahead for now. Once done, you might see an option for add-ons, but we'll skip that for this tutorial. Click next, and with a final click on finish, the installer wraps up by moving some files around. Now, when you launch FiveM next, and yes, a restart is needed if you're already running FiveM, you'll be greeted by the reshade pop-up, likely busy compiling some effects or something. This might take a moment depending on how many effects you selected earlier, but once it's done, you're free to experiment with any effect from the extensive list. Whether you're drawn to the artistic vignette or intrigued by reflections, the choice is really yours. You can pick any shader from this list as you like. So the standard preset is called reshade preset.ini. Over here, if you select it, this is where you can also change the preset to something else. This is just a starting point, so feel free to explore and customize as you need. And that's a wrap on installing reshade with FiveM. I hope this guide helped you installing reshade. If you run into any issues or have questions, drop them in the comments below. And if you're interested in a deep dive into reshade's capabilities, let me know. I'm considering doing a full tutorial. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly upgraded FiveM.